Hello to all my students. Today I am back with my next chapter, Understanding Quadrilaterals of class 8th, and today I will do the questions of exercise 4.3, question number 3 and 4. So here we are going to do the construction. Parallelogram HEAR here, the dimensions are given here, and the rectangle OK, OK, and again the dimensions are given here. Earlier also I told you कि you have to make a rough figure of it. ठीक, after making the rough figure you will be having a rough idea how to do the construction fast. So let's start. I am going to take my base side EA, which is equals to 6 centimeter. Here I am going to do 6. Here I am going to draw 6 centimeter line segment. It is EA, 6 centimeter. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Only one angle we have. E is equals to R, that is equals to 85 degree. And again one more property, adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equals to 180 degree. So if E is equals to 85, which I am going to draw with the help of protractor, then if E is equals to 85, then your next adjacent angle will be equal to, let's see, 180 degree minus 85 is equals to 95 degree. So the 95 degree will be also not able to construct. So what we will do? We will draw with the help of protractor only. So here it is 95 degree. So in this way both the angles have been drawn with the help of rounder only, a protractor only. Now we are going to take the measurement of the other side of parallelogram, which is equals to HE is equals to AR is equals to 5 centimeter. Take the measurement with the help of ruler and pencil like this, and the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So cut an arc like this, and then here you will get 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 85 degree, 95 degree, and then join these lines. So here you are with your constructed parallelogram H, E, A and R. In this way you have completed your parallelogram with the given dimensions. The next question is rectangle OKA. Very simple. OKAY. When you are going to construct rectangle or square, it is very simple, because you know each angle of rectangle and square is 90 degree, and the opposite sides of rectangle are equal, all sides of a square are equal. So most of the basic concepts are clearly very clear into the mind of the students. So here I have taken base side as OK, which is equals to 7 centimeter, and here I am going to construct 90 degree with the same arc both side. ठीक, 90 degree is very simple. Cut an arc like this, the second arc like this, and the 90 degree is in this way you will get very easily. First arc always is 60 degree, second arc is 120, then with the help of 60 and 120 arc you will be getting 90 degree in this way. So here we are with our 90 degree at both the corners. See, each angle is equals to 90 degree. Concept is very much clear. So here OK with the dimension 7 centimeter, 90 degree each angle, got like that. ठीक, and the opposite angle, the adjacent angle of the rectangle is 5 centimeter. With the help of ruler and pencil you will take the measurement like this, 5 centimeter measurement, and then put your rounder's pointer on the O point and cut an arc on the straight line, and again on K cut another arc, and then you will be going to join these points. and in this way you will get your OKAY. AY is equals to OK, opposite sides of rectangle, 7 centimeter, and KA is equals to OY, opposite sides of rectangle again with 5 centimeter. So here you are with your answer. ठीक. So question number 3 and 4 of exercise 4.3 is done. Now I am going to do the next exercise, question number 1 and 2. Exercise is 4.4. ठीक. So let's start. Again I have drawn the rough figure of the quadrilateral DEAR dear, given the dimensions, and the quadrilateral true 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 with the given dimensions. So students are asking ki which side should be taken as a base. So I always prefer the angle and the side which have the angle with them. So the side EA, both the angles are given. Angle E is equals to 60 degree, angle A is equals to 90 degree, and in this way you are having 3 dimensions. Number 1, the basic is 5 centimeter base side. The side, the line segment which you are going to take the base is EA, and after that angle E is equals to 60 degree. Take any arc, draw an angle of 60 degree. First arc is always 60 degree. Cut an arc like this. The second arc, taking any radius, cut an arc for the angle 90 degree. First arc 60 degree, then second arc 60 degree, then in between 60 and 120 you will get 90 degree. In this way you have constructed both the angles, 60 degree here and 90 degree here. Now you have the measurements, both the measurements EA, ED and RA. 3 dimensions you have already in your question. So first you have used as a base. Secondly, you will get ED here. So with the help of E, you will be getting D in this line only. Okay. Take the measurement of 4 centimeter with the help of pencil and ruler, and put your pointer here, cut an arc like this. You will be getting point D. Similarly, take an arc of 4.5 with the help of scale and pencil, and you will be getting the another arc on putting the pointer on A, and this is your point R. And in this way you have got your 2 other points and join this point. You will be getting DR. You have to measure this line segment also. It is 3.2. It may be differ because you people are using other pencils, or the lid of the pencil will be different, so it can vary. It doesn't matter. 3 centimeter, 3.2, 3.3, everything is okay. So in this way you have got you are with your measurement. Now the next question. Construct the quadrilateral TRUE, where RU I have taken as base side because the measurement of RU is given, angle R is given, and angle U is given. So here I am with my 3 measurements. So take RU as your base side, baseline segment, RU 3 centimeter. ठीक. Then angle R is 75 degree. You need to construct it. Put your pointer on the point R. Take any arc. Draw an arc like this. And start constructing 75 degree. For 75 degree, you actually need 90 degree. So 90 degree will be in the form of dotted line. ठीक. It is very simple to construct 90 degree. Then 90 degree and 60 degree, in between you will get your 75 degree for sure. This point and this point will give you 75 degree. Put your pointer in this point and cut an arc like this, and then put a pointer here and cut an arc on that particular arc. And here you are with your 75 degree. ठीक. Then point U. Take any arc, cut an arc like this. First arc is always 60 degree and second arc is always 120 degree. 60 and 60 is 120 only. Very simple to construct the 120 degree with the help of rounder. ठीक. These are the basic rules. You need to keep all these things into your mind while doing the constructions. So RU is here, 75 degree is here, 120 degree is here with you. Now you have to take the measurement of TR. So take the measurement with the help of ruler and pencil. Take the measurement like this, put your pointer on R and cut an arc on this line. You will get T here. Again, take the measurement of 4 centimeter with the help of rounder and pencil. Take a measurement like this, put your pointer here, cut an arc in this line. So here you will get E. T R U E. Here you are with the quadrilateral. They mean true. Join this TE. And here you have to measure the line segment also. 4.5 centimeter. That's it. Write all the measurements like this, and here you are with all the 4 questions. 4.4 question number 1 and 2, 4.3 question number 3 and 4. Thank you, and do practicing this construction. Thank you very much everyone.